Oh, hey, it's been a little while. This is Tony with Tony's Wicked Cool Garage Guy. So, lots of stuff's been going on, but right now it's March. It's St. Patrick's Day weekend. Today is the big South Boston parade that everyone goes crazy over. But I'm not there. I am trying to figure out why Project Power Laggin is doing something kind of weird. And no, yes, that is a grill for Project Power Laggin. That's coming soon. Probably not soon. Probably a lot later. But we're gonna go through and try to do some dent repair on that thing. And we'll do a video on that. But for now, some more pressing matters. This thing is making all sorts of terrible sounds, as you're gonna hear in a few minutes. Basically, I think the front U-joints, which who knows how old they are, they're pretty smoked. They're making some ungodly sounds, which hopefully you'll be able to hear. You might want to put headphones on. It's pretty close to the most annoying sound I've ever heard, and I get to share that with all of you. So, yeah, I don't know if it is that. Maybe you do. Maybe you've been through this before and you know that sound. If you do know that sound, put a comment down below. I'd love to hear what it could possibly be. For context, I've done wheel bearings, did them a few years ago. That's real fun, let me tell you, on a early mid tin grill with the MP203 and the fully automatic four-wheel drive. Yeah, lots of fun. And I get to do that again if it is the U-joints, because I probably should have done those when I was in there, but at the time they were fine. They weren't making this crazy sound that I think they're making. But again, as a note, it's doing it with vehicle speed. It's doing it independent of what gear it's in. It's doing it independent of engine RPM. So it's got to be something, with the wheels doing the spinny thingy. So probably U-joints. And if it is, that's going to be fun. We'll do a little video on that too. But again, it's been a while. Happy to see you all. And click subscribe if you want to see me post a video up every once in a while. But anyway, here we go. Okay. So this thing, my Dodge Power Wagon 79, aka Project Power Laggin, is making some really strange noises from the front end. I think they're U-joints. Probably the wheel joints. Let's see if I can get it to replicate the sound. Let me slow down a little bit. I'm gonna turn here. So get it to make the sound. Don't know if it's coming through on the video, but there's a warbling, shrieking, weird, kind of like a chirping bearing noise. I did wheel bearings a couple years ago, so I'm not thinking it's that. It could be one of those things where something's just loose somewhere. metal on metal squeaking sound, but it does it with wheel speed, so I'm thinking that's not it. Here, let me do a complete stop. Mostly under acceleration when it does it, but it can do it on deceleration too. Yeah, very, very strange. As far as I know, these all the U-joints in this thing are original. Okay. Well, we'll find out what it is and we'll fix it, just like everything else. And we're back. So hopefully you heard that noise. Again, it's a squeaking, chirping, squealing, warbling type of awful noise. I will say this, if you give it decent throttle, it starts getting kind of chunky in the tone. And I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to get stranded. But if you've heard this before, again, down in the comments, let me know what's going on. I think I know what's going on. We'll see if you're right. Either way, we'll film what we're doing, and we'll see how bad they really are. But thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.